Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to send money directly through WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a new feature of RuPay that enables you to send money safely and securely. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. Go to your WhatsApp and from the WhatsApp chat, select the person whom you want to send money through this new feature of WhatsApp RuPay. After clicking on the person's account, just go to the message tab and click on the RuPay symbol. As you click on it, just click on send invite and send the invitation for the payments and proceed further. Now to check payments, directly go to the three dots at the top right and click on payments. Click on the QR code symbol at the right side. From here, you can adjust and see your account payments and even add amount through the QR code. Now to add payment methods, you directly click on add payment method. And after that, you can select a bank, you can add the payment, the money through the bank accounts and set it up. For now, I'll just click on yes, cancel. You can also do the new payment through this tab at the below right. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you enjoyed the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new informative video for you.